Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I will be demonstrating you guys how can you remove watermark and any in-app purchases on PowerDirector. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to ask anything, the comment section is yours. So you need to open the web browser and type INNOVATE. So don't worry guys, it's a safe app, and if anything happens to your phone, you can report abuse or anything, dislike this video or anything you want. But trust me guys, it's a safe application. Now I'm showing you the brush option. You have to click on this one. Just click on it and download. For download. Don't worry, nothing will happen. So it's the app is installed. Click on done. So it's go to the home screen and you can see that the AC market here. Click on this. Now friends, it will ask for this permission. Click on OK and allow. Don't worry, nothing will happen, but one thing you should remember is that your phone should have the latest Android feature. Now you have to click on search and then search for PowerDirector. Let's search it. So a glitch happened and stamina just went off. So I'll just search the phone. No space on it in it. So it will show that. Click on the PowerDirector and just you can see this option. Just click on it. And there it will show two options. You have to click on the first option. Download APK file only via CDN. So click on free download. Quality unlock, watermark unlock, enhanced unlock, open, load multiple tracks, unlock all keyboard selected, this is really good for new users. So now you have to come back, and when you are on the home page, I'll show you where do you have to click. You have to click here. click here and you can see that this is downloading. I'll show you this. Just a second. This one. When it will turn completely blue, then it will get downloaded. So I am pausing my video here. So don't think that I am making a fake video. If anything will happen, you can write anything, subscribe my channel, dislike this video, anything. So you can see that the file is now downloaded. So automatically it will show that security systems. So click on settings and give it the permission. So don't worry, nothing will happen. And then if you already have PowerDirector, then first delete it. Remember, first delete it, otherwise this application won't get installed on your device. So I have deleted my PowerDirector which I installed from Play Store. So now I am clicking on install. So within seconds it will get installed. Nothing to worry at all. Once the blue line crosses, when this blue line will get crossed, it will mean that the PowerDirector is installed. So you can see that it's showing PowerDirector app installed. Click on done. So everything is done. Now suppose you can delete this application. So I will first delete AC Market, everything. So you need to worry about it. So I have uninstalled AC Market in just a few seconds. Now click on PowerDirector. Now I'll show you how it works. So now you have to give it the permission. I have given it everything you did it before. So click on new project. Give it the 16:9 title. You can do whatever you want. Now I have taken an example video. I'll just paste it here. I'll just play it. So this is an example video of my project. I'm just taking an example. I'm not creating an official video. It's just so one thing you must have noticed, that no watermark. So voila, no watermark, everything is removed. So now if you want to reduce it, click on this home option. This I'm going to shade it. This one. Just click on this one. And then you will do that and then click on this video and produce video. Now I will show you. If you want to save it to gallery, save it. Now you can see that once again the HD feature which was unlocked in the Play Store app of PowerDirector is now unlocked. So now PowerDirector is completely free, no ads at all. Let me show you. You can see no ads, no nothing. These are just features of PowerDirector. Nothing. So if you like my video, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any queries, do mention it in the comment section. So till then, be safe, be healthy, and don't stop to innovate.